My name is Daljinder from Sandeep sir's Doon Defense Academy, and today I'm going to take you through this beautiful journey of discovering RIMC. Set in the green valley of Dehradun, the Rashtriya Indian Military College or RIMC stands tall as the cradle of leadership. Founded over a century ago, it continues to shape India's finest military minds. From the Olympic-sized pool to its horse riding fields and academic excellence, RIMC isn't just a school, it's the beginning of a soldier's journey. Established on 13th March 1922 as the Prince of Wales Royal Indian Military College, RIMC was designed to prepare young Indian boys for officer training in the British Indian Army. Post-independence, however, it became the Rashtriya Indian Military College, a national institution under the Ministry of Defence. Spread across nearly 138 acres in Garhi Cant, Dehradun, RIMC offers one of the best residential campuses in the country. It houses state-of-the-art science and computer labs, a 50-meter Olympic-sized swimming pool, a riding school, squash courts, and an auditorium. Academically, RIMC follows the CBSE 10+2 pattern. Cadets are admitted in Class 8 and continue up to Class 12. The curriculum builds a solid foundation in English, mathematics, science, and general studies, preparing them for the National Defence Academy and life beyond. Admission to RIMC is highly competitive. Students take a national level entrance exam twice a year, with papers in English, mathematics, and general knowledge. Those who qualify face a personal interview and a final medical fitness test. The intake is to Class 8 and only about 30 cadets are selected per term. Life at RIMC runs on discipline. From 5:30 am PT to lights out at 10 pm, every cadet's day is precisely scheduled. The college instills punctuality, teamwork and respect, hallmarks of military ethos. The uniforms resemble those of the armed forces, PT kit for sports, and full ceremonial dress for the parades. With around 250 candidates on roll and the best student-teacher ratio, RIMC ensures every candidate receives personalized mentoring and academic attention. RIMC has an unmatched record, producing hundreds of officers for the Indian Armed Forces, including Chiefs of Army Staff and numerous high-ranking officers. Alumni proudly call themselves RIMColians, a name that carries immense respect in defense circles. Cadets belong to one of the four houses: Pratap, Ranjit, Shivaji, and Chandragupta, each promoting sportsmanship and leadership through healthy competition. Traditions like the Founders' Day Parade, passing out ceremony, and inter-house trophies strengthen lifelong memories. RIMC operates under the Army Training Command, ARTRAC, Ministry of Defence. For over 100 years, the Rashtriya Indian Military College has built more than officers. It has built character, courage, and commitment. RIMC, where service truly comes before self. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends, and if you are willing to prepare for RIMC, you can contact us at Sandeep sir's Doon Defense Academy. We prepare candidates for RIMC entrance examination. The details are given in the description. Thank you and all the best.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.